Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will go through how to refine your practice information and set up your practice contact details. First, log into your account. The homepage will now show the practice you created in the last tutorial. Click on it to start editing. If you have not already verified your practice address, you will see the Verify Store Address button above the practice address. Click on the Practice Location tab. This displays a map of the business location based on the latitude and longitude that was entered when you created the practice. You can move the marker peg to refine the location. Note that you cannot move the marker peg more than 10 meters in any direction from its original position. If the marker peg is in the completely wrong location, you may need to set up your practice again and enter the latitude and longitude manually. You can get the latitude and longitude for any location using Google or other mapping services. Now click on the Practice Contact Details tab. Click the Add New button. Choose a contact type. Enter the details and optionally a nickname for the contact. Click Save to finish.